Hello everyone, so today's video is just going to be a quick inspiration ideas video and a follow-up for a previous video. If you haven't seen the video where I showed you how to make a bunch of floral bouquets using scrap pieces and scrap flowers, then you'll want to check that out in the corner because that is where I made all of these little bouquets and showed them to you. And so now I've got a few cards to share and I thought I'd just show you the different kinds of occasions that I've used for a card for these bouquets and just the different styles. So some of these are using old Spellbinders kits, like this paper here was from this Spellbinders kit that had these floral pieces, and this is a special card that is going to be a bereavement card, and so it just says Treasured Hope there, and that's for, you know, the afterlife, the hope there. But there are a variety of other occasions. So here's one that just says congratulations. Again, these are the same papers from that Spellbinders kit. I'll look it up and see which one it was. I think it was something about a koala. It had a lot of Australian themed stuff, so we'll put that in a little title. And then here is a thank you card. Similar layout. I mean, the focal point is going to be these bouquets for all of them, but I'm just showing you different ways to use it. Another thank you one with a very different, this is going with a blues theme, and so then I found some blue papers in my stash, and because there's gold, I've brought in some gold accents. Here is one that's thinking of you, and some of these I've added more dimension and others I've left more flat. So this one's a little more flat, but there is a chipboard piece, and this one has a lot more dimension there. Here is another kind of gratitude one. Thankful for you, it says grateful. So this is a great way to pull out different sentiment strips you might have, backgrounds. That one I used an old background and the floral pieces, and make a bunch of cards with a similar layout. This one is celebrate, and then it says happy birthday. Another happy birthday one here we have with a different color scheme. Here is another birthday one, so I guess these are a few birthday ones in a row. Great way to use just a burst of bouquet of flowers. Now here's another one that says congratulations, so much fun. Nice light spring color palette there. And here is another version of a happy birthday. This is an old Spellbinders kit, some of the papers. Then we have just a random celebrate today. This could be birthday or any kind of, like, somebody gets a new job, new house, whatever. That's a great one. Here's another birthday one with another blue kind of color palette, but it's got some yellows in it as well. And then this one says wishing you the happiest of days. Again, it could be birthday, but it could also be some other things that one might celebrate. Thanks a bunch. I found this little sentiment sticker. It was from a Spellbinders kit, and it had a little, like, conversation tab there. I just trimmed that off, but I figured, you know, bunch of flowers. I liked the thanks a bunch there. And finally, another happy birthday one, and then this says, oh, happy day. And this was a great way to use up my stash of words. Here is a collection of all kinds of little scraps of words. Use up scrap backgrounds, use up flowers, and get a lot of cards for my business of selling the cards at the art fair. So I hope you enjoy seeing these little ideas and different ways to do this variation on a theme, shall we say. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!